Hi, what's up, everyone? Today, I just want to be. Today, I just want to come here and speak honestly. No fake energy, no pretending, no trying to sound perfect. Just me talking about my life and where am I right now, and what I've been through, what I'm learning, and maybe this can help somebody who also feel lost sometime. Lately, life has been very slow for me. I've been comparing to someone, comparing to, which is, I know that comparing is not good. And when life becomes slow, my mind just start becoming loud. You start thinking too much, you question everything, anything, everything about yourself, and you start asking yourself like, am I behind? Why am I not where I want to be yet? Why does it feel like everybody is moving faster than me? And, and honestly, I've been feeling that too. Recently, I have spent money on myself because of surgery, and after that, I feel broke. I even had to borrow money. And also, trading is also good to me right now, but I decided to not sharing trading course, sharing about trading in the YouTube anymore, because everyone's just making course and sharing a lot of knowledge in YouTube already. So just know that I'm doing trading. Trading is a part of my success. Trading is a part of my journey. So recently, no, I mean, and when you borrow money while already feel pressure in life, it hits your price. I borrow money because of surgery. I gotta do some surgery. I had something wrong with myself, and I had to do that, and I had to borrow my friend money. So right now, I just got the money and pay him already, but I'm gonna be so broke this month. But it's okay, I still have trading. But trading, you cannot expect it to be win always. It's gonna be lose month, it's gonna be win month. It depends on your strategy, depend on your patience, it depends on your emotion, and depend on your strategy, depend on your technical. And yeah, let's back to our conversation. So when you borrow money while already feel pressure in life, it hit your price, it make you feel weak for a moment, it make you think maybe you're not doing enough. And but then I realized something. Sometimes life forces you to pause, not because you fail, but because you need to reset. And that reset is uncomfortable, very uncomfortable, because when you slow down, you can hide from yourself anymore. You see your habits, you see your distractions, you see where your energy has been going, you see what you are trying to fix, you see what you need to fix. And for me, one thing I noticed is when I feel pressure, I distract myself too much, I scrolling, thinking too much, losing focus, and feeling lazy. I don't want to do anything. When I'm feeling lazy, I don't just do anything, just stay in the bed thinking about my life, blaming myself for it. But the truth is, nobody stays strong every day. But I wish I can. Even people who look disciplined go through a moment where they feel empty. The important thing is not pretending you are always okay. The important thing is learning how to return, learning how to come back to yourself, because life is not only about being strong, but it's also about understanding yourself deeply. A lot of people know me because I talk about trading, but I hope I mean, 300 subscriber is also a lot for me right now. So I said a lot, yeah. And yes, trading is a part of my journey. But I want to say something real. Trading is not life. Trading is not only one skill, one opportunity, one part, not your whole identity. I think many people make a mistake. They drop everything for trading. They stop learning other things. They stop building themselves as persons. They think money alone will fix everything. They think but money without self-control, without wisdom, without emotional stability, or yeah, I just can destroy you too every time you have those things. In trading, I learned patience, I learned humility, I learned that the market doesn't care about your emotion. The same thing in life. Life doesn't move because you complain, and life move when you adjust it. And when you learn, when you stay calm, even when things are uncertain, there are so many courses online, so many people selling dream, telling you this strategy, that secret, this shortcut, but real growth is slow, painfully slow sometimes. And most of people quit because they can't accept slow progress. But slow progress is still a progress. That is something I'm teaching myself right now. And I also realize it's bigger than making money. Of course, money matter. Of course, money is matter. I want money, I want freedom, I want to have my family, I want to take care of my mother, I want to retire them. One day, that dream is still alive, but life is not only money. Life is also love. Life is also peace. Life becoming someone you respect when nobody watching. Life is learning how to love people correctly and learning who deserve your energy, learning when to let go, learning how to be alone without feeling empty. And because if you cannot sit with yourself peacefully, no amount of money will save you. And I'm still learning that too. Every session teach something. Some session gives you money, some session give you pain, some session give you wisdom, some session give you experience. And you pay for wisdom through mistake, through regret, through looting, through silence, through moment where nobody is understanding your mind. But if you survive that sessions, you can't different. You become different, stronger, calmer. And right now, I'm not pretending that I have everything. I'm actually not. I don't have everything right now. I'm still building. I'm still learning, still correcting myself, still trying to become a better man. And maybe that's enough for now. Not perfection, just progress, small progress, one better thought, one better habit, one better decision every day. So if you're watching this and your life feels slow too, don't panic. Don't think your story is over. Sometimes your biggest growth happens when nothing exciting is happening, when nobody claps for you, when nobody see your effort. That is where real character is built. Keep learning, keep growing, keep your eye open for opportunity. Not just trading, not just one thing. Life gives you many doors. You just need discipline and awareness to see them. And most importantly, don't lose yourself trying to become rich. Build yourself while building money. Because if your inner life is broken, success will feel empty. Anyway, I just want to share this honesty today. No filter, no acting, just a real thought. We keep moving step by step, and slow is okay as long as you don't stop, and that's it. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have the best day. And this is just about my life today. Yeah. And I just want to add just one more thing about fitness also, because right now I'm fighting with my financial, but I'm still going to the gym. My progress is very slow because I have very less money to spend on myself, to do like to buy like supplements so I can have progress and training like probably 2 times a day or maybe just 1 time a day or so on. But it's just really hard for me because I have to late night sleep, and also like sometimes I have to skip to go to work, skip workout to go to work because I have work to do. And I hope that one day I can have enough money and then I just do everything just could spend some money on the supplements. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have the best day.